Sometimes we don't have the time or energy to do a massive declutter. I definitely don't. Challenge myself to do this 5-5-5 micro decluttering. So this starts with 5 minutes a day, and I'm thinking I can do 5 minutes a day, and it's only for 5 days. I can definitely commit to that. So I got my timer, I got my box, and I'm gonna remove 5 things every day from 5 areas. And I wanna show you what actually happened. So here's the rules. You have to have a timer and it has to be set for 5 minutes. So you predetermine the day you're gonna start and predetermine the 5 areas that you're going to declutter. You quickly, within the 5 minutes, remove 5 things. And this only happens for 5 days. And at the end, we're gonna see what happens. My spices are always piling up. I think I have a spice addiction. I love different spices. So I need to declutter some of them because honestly, they're overflowing. So let's go.
The hardest part is always getting started. And the good part is after it's done, you feel good about the results and the work you've done. And I've been wanting to really do this, but I just didn't have any time. And I thought this was an easy way to help me get started and motivated. I mean, literally 5 minutes. We can do 5 minutes for 5 days. And I really need to clean out this spice cabinet. I'm a sucker. I'll buy any new spice that I think will make something taste better.
It really took me less than 5 minutes. It took me 3.
Now, this is my makeup area. This is the hardest thing to go through because they're just little tiny pieces and they add up. And they're probably pretty expensive. Makeup is not cheap nowadays, but it's a good thing to go in there and thin out. And I don't know if you know, but there's a little number on your makeup that has an expiration date. That's always a good thing to look at and maybe highlight because they make it so tiny you can't see it. But going through this makeup and getting some stuff out, they're tiny stuff, so it really just doesn't add up to look like much. But when it comes to makeup, it's got to be done. It's got to be cleared out, clearing out all of the old expired things I didn't like, things that were bad colors and dried up and expired. They all need to be removed and refreshed because probably I will go buy something else. I'm a sucker for that too. Anything that says makeup for mature women, I try it out to just see if it can help me look better. Well, look at that. That did not take long at all. I'm moving right through this. So now I'm moving on to the refrigerator, day 3, and it's really easy to remove stuff out of your refrigerator, but refrigerators are constant. Things are always expiring. People come over and they bring drinks and they just sit in my refrigerator. I think these were there since November, taking up room. Now, my closet, it's always hard for me to get my closet because I'm like, maybe I'll fit back in this dress. But you know, at the end of the day, I am getting older and I don't think that sundress is going to look good on me anymore. And I love my sundresses, but it's pretty easy to go through and pick out 5 items that you can just do without. And it really makes a difference, even though it's just 5, because really this is about the motivation to get started and to have that feeling that it feels like to get it done. So now we're moving into the bathroom, just removing any stuff that I haven't used. That was $14.95. I feel like I just threw $14.95 in the trash, but I do not use it. So anything expired, anything not used, taking up room that we just don't need. So that's it. That was the end of the decluttering 5-day challenge. Every time I'm shocked at how fast this takes.
That literally took 1 minute. Okay, here's my thoughts on what happened. It happened a lot faster than I even thought. Like, this took less than 5 minutes. And look, okay, this really did amount to quite a bit of stuff for the amount of effort I put in it. Actually, this was so successful. I removed the thinking and just did a small amount. And so I think I'm literally going to add this to my decluttering rotation. It really gave me motivation. It was doable. It didn't take much time, and small chunks do add up. Hope you found today's micro decluttering challenge helpful, and maybe it encouraged you to just do it in 5 minutes. All you gotta do is grab a box, a trash bag, pick your 5 areas, get your timer. It's probably gonna do the same thing as it did to me, take a lot less time to accomplish it. If I do this once a month, and I've got 5 minutes for 5 days, I think it's really going to help. Let me know down below what you think and if you're encouraged to try the 5-minute mini challenge. I'll see you next week. Bye.